So you are welcome to our day 5 of our free 30 days YouTube growth challenge. So in this day 5, we are going to talk about how to create an eye-catching channel trailer step by step. Now you need to understand what trailer is all about. For those of you that don't understand what trailer is all about, and I want you to pay full attention so that you will understand what trailer is all about. Now, a trailer is a video that introduces your channel whenever someone visits your channel for the first time. So, those that are actually watching your videos, or maybe someone come across your YouTube videos on the YouTube search engine, now the person will click on your videos, and maybe sometimes some of them, when they watch the video, they will actually go to your channel. They will make sure they go straight to your channel to know what your channel is all about. Now, if you don't have a trailer on your channel, you're actually missing a lot, because a trailer video actually introduce or tell the viewers what your channel is all about. Now, there are so many creators, YouTubers that don't actually understand this. So they create a YouTube channel without uploading the perfect trailer of their YouTube channel. So now, uploading a perfect YouTube trailer video on your channel help your YouTube channel to get a lot of attention, to get people to recommend on your video. Now, YouTube algorithm is going to understand that this trailer video actually tells about what this channel is all about. It's like introducing your business into someone that is actually new on your business. Now, if you want to introduce your business to that person, how do you expect that person to know what you're actually selling? How do you expect that person to know what you're actually doing in your business? So, introducing yourself as introducing your channel to your audience, or to those that are actually visiting your channel in the first time, is very important. That is why this free 30 days YouTube growth challenge, you are going to learn so many things that you are actually lacking to grow a successful YouTube channel. Just like I told you that if you are not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, you are missing a lot. If you are not yet on the bell icon, you are also missing, because you'll be missing some of my videos that I will be uploading on this channel. That is why you have to join this community. We are here to support ourselves. We are here to learn and to grow together. So by joining me, you are not missing anything. Okay, so join this free 30 days YouTube growth challenge. If you actually want to take your YouTube channel to the next level, if you actually want to make your YouTube channel to grow and to have subscriber, and also hit the 4,000 watch hour time, to join the YouTube partner program. But it is one of the biggest joy that every creator out there actually want to achieve. Now, back to what we're actually discussing about YouTube trailer. About YouTube trailer is very important. You should understand that the trailer is what it discusses and talks about what your videos is all about, what your channel is all about. For example, if my channel is all about cooking, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Chef So person. In this channel, I talk about how to cook delicious food, and if you support me, this channel, you are going to be getting update every day. Is if whether you want to be uploading videos every week, you want to be uploading videos every two days, just discuss it, just say it in that trailer video. This will actually make your viewers to understand that this channel, this is time we are expecting videos on this channel. This is how this channel is all about. Now, for those of you that are camera shy, so just like I said, for those of you that don't want to show themselves on the camera, but you want to have a trailer video on your channel, so this is what you are going to do. So you're going to use an AI like ChatGTP to create a trailer videos for you. First, you are going to input the prompt exactly as what your YouTube channel is all about. First of all, you're going to input the prompts about the name of the name of your YouTube channel, and secondly, what your YouTube channel is all about. So after inputting these prompts, then you send it. ChatGTP is going to write short trailer description video of your channel. So after that, you can copy it and then take it to any AI that is going to help you to create a video. Then if you don't want to take it to an AI to create a video, what you do is for you to copy that script and another AI that will help you to generate a voiceover for their videos. So after generating the voiceover for your video, you can also create images in that trailer videos. You can upload it to your channel. Just like I said, a trailer video is what actually tells what your channel is all about. It's like introducing your business into new customers that actually visit your store or your business. So if you don't introduce your business to them, how do you expect them to understand what you're actually selling? How do you expect them to understand what your business is all about? So having a trailer video is going to help you to achieve so many success in growing your YouTube channel. It's going to recommend your channel to people that actually searching for those kind of content. Okay, once YouTube recommend your channel to them, your videos to them, and they are watching your videos, those people can actually visit your YouTube channel to know exactly what your channel is all about, the kind of content you create, how they are going to be expecting videos from you. There are people that upload videos a day. There are people that upload videos in 2 days. There are people that upload videos in a week. There are people that upload videos in 2 weeks. So it depends on how you want to be uploading content on your YouTube channel. So introduce it to your audience. So those that are actually subscribing to your YouTube channel will also know that this is when they are expecting an update from you. This is what they will be expecting from your channel, and this is what they will be getting from your channel. Giving them update often help your YouTube channel to grow very faster. Now, they will also subscribe to your YouTube channel, and the trailer videos help you to also hit 4,000 watch hour time. So these are some of the things that many YouTubers are actually lacking, and that is why in 1 year you are still struggling to even have 500 subscriber. You are still struggling to even have 1,000 subscriber. You are still struggling to even have 4,000 watch hour time. So this free 30 days YouTube growth challenge is going to discuss so many things that you are not aware. And in this free 30 days, you are going to learn all these things and make your YouTube channel to start having visibility and start having recommendation. And you are going to start having views and also subscriber, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized. So if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are not yet turned the bell icon, please I will beg you to turn the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos whenever I upload my videos. And if you have not yet liked the video, please like so that YouTube will also recommend this video to many people that actually want to grow their YouTube channel and those that are actually struggling to succeed in this journey of content creation. So we are here to grow, we are here to learn every day. So we will be learning new things that we don't understand. So keep watching these videos and don't skip any part of this video. Join me. Make sure you share these videos to your loved ones, to your friends, to your families. For those that actually want to start up a YouTube channel, you can share this video to them. See you in another video. Wish you the luck, wish you the best. As you support me, may God also support you. Thank you so much and have a nice day.